pretty, budget friendly. I know y'all like, why she got that hood on? Because I'm cool like that. But the holiday time is the perfect time for a red lip. If you normally do not do a red lip and you want to step out your comfort zone, now is the time to do so. So I want to bring to you some of my top red lips was affordable to me. Starting off with the Stunner Lip Pen by Fenty. This came out around last year sometime. But I just want to swatch them on back of my hand, you all. So one thing about this is it dries beautifully, and this has a blue-red tone with a low hint of orange in it, so it pops a little more. But it looks awesome like with a night moth liner or even a brown liner. And this particular lip paint, when it dries, it does not move. I'm going to insert some clips from me from work the other day. I worked a 6-hour shift and did not have to reapply. Now my favorite is the MAC Retro Matte. Feels so grand. This is a true red. This is a cherry pie red. See how this one is more true red than the orange red? This is the red that you would get in trouble for wearing if you were a young girl down south like me. Your grandparents always say red was for hookers. This would be that red that would get you popped. That was $26.99. Now keep in mind, your YSL and your NARS are a little more expensive, so $26 and $24 is not expensive to me. However, the Amore Red Matte from Milani, this is a true blood red for $9.99. When it dries, you all, look at that. That's a true red. I have the Feel So Grand on my bottom and Amore on the top. I like to mix them too just to give me a pop. Keep in mind, I always find these at CVS. Target has them too. But one thing I always tell you all, shop for cosmetics where you can get some money back. Like they had buy $10 in Milani and get $5 back. You can't go wrong with that, because I picked up some of their plumping glosses as well and I like it. Moving on to another CVS find, this cat suit by Wet n Wild is called Missy and Fierce. This one has a little more of a purpley tint to it, but I tried it the other day at work and I really liked it. See, it has a little more of a purple base, which would look awesome with Night Moth. I didn't have Night Moth on when I wore mine. I had on a purple L'Oreal Silkaseum. It actually was an eyeliner, but it's that eggplant color, but it's more popping purple, and I feathered it out and I really like that, you all. And then this one is the NYX Lip Tease. I got this one for free the other day. I got this because it has that orangey red tone, which reminds me of the Fenty, but more affordable. This was $9.99, and then we know your Fenties are in your $20, but it has more of the orangey tone. This is the Fenty. This is the MAC Feel So Grand. This is the Amore Matte by Milani. This is the Wet n Wild, which has a beautiful deep red color. And this is the Slip Tease by NYX in the color Red Queen. So they all provide you with something different variations of red, but you cannot go wrong with a red lip. And for my brown girls, pair it with Night Moth, you won't go wrong. But I don't have on Night Moth today. I have on the NYX Transylvania, that deep burgundy color. I line mine with a liquid lipstick to be sure it does not move. So just a quick follow up on my top 5. I also have a LA Girl Pro one, which I thought the Milani was drying, but that LA Girl Pro red, it's a beautiful red, but it's a little too drying for me. Although I prep my lips, I scrub my lips, and the time I take to do my makeup application, I have on some kind of lip balm, and it was just too drying for me. But you may like that. And again, with CVS, your Rite Aid, your Walgreens, you can always get cosmetics with being a part of their beauty clubs, you all. So anytime you walk in the door and you want to check on something with points, ask them if they have a beauty club. Like CVS, when you spend 30, you get 3 back. Walgreens, you spend 50, you get 5 back. And that's in addition to the regular points you would get anyway. So if you follow me on Snap and Insta stories, I'm going to link my handles below. I am a deal hunter. I am your deal queen. I keep y'all up on the deals and all that good stuff. I don't really vlog the deals anymore and put them via YouTube because I think I would need a separate couponing page and I don't want to do all that. So Insta stories and Snap works just fine, and follow me over there. And remember, we're not paying full price for nothing, not even cosmetics, okay? I ain't got it like that. I ain't balling like that. But if you want the latest deals and steals, follow me over there. I'll hook y'all up with some good product. And again, check out these reds. I'm rotating these for the holiday. Okay? Check them out. See which one you like. Pop on the red lip. Nothing says confidence like the color red. Just thought I'd tell y'all that. See y'all in the next video.